Helpful Objects for Sari-Sari Store Part 5. Product Description, Lifetime, 4 foot, fold-in half table, price, 2,850 pesos. Pero may discount na 4%, kaya mabibili nyo na lang to ng 2,730 pesos. Grab nyo na hanggang may discount pa. Automatic na yung discount kapag bibili kayo. Brand, Lifetime, Model, 80160, Dimension, kapag naka-open, LWH, 121.9 cm by 61 cm by 61 cm, 74 cm, 91.4 cm. Adjustable siya, kaya tatlo yung height. Kapag naka-close naman, LWH, 61.8 cm by 61 cm by 7.9 cm. Tabletop thickness, 3.8 cm. Weight, 8 kg. Color, tabletop, white granite. Frame, gray. Weight capacity, center loaded, 68 kg. Evenly distributed, 340 kg. Materials, tabletop, high density polyethylene and plastic. Frame, powder coated steel. Shop, Mod 5 MNL. Isang word lang to. Delivery time, approximately 0 to 4 days. Pros, mas madali ilipat sa ibang place. Na-adjust yung height. Matibay. Madali linisan. Cons, need pa i-setup bago magamit. Palitan na natin yung luma na ginagamit natin na lamesa. Before, after.